Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Gabi ko maiwasang nasa iyong sarili. Nadarang mo naman sa iyong apoy. Bakit ba't gusto wanna let her go? Maybe my love will come back someday. Good evening. All I ever know was maybe a heart. Gabi na naman. Maybe a heart to find a way. But all I ever know. Thank you. 1 million in the house. Where are you? Baby, my love will come back. Hi, Rory John. Rory Johnson. Johns pala. Hi, Rory Johns. How are ya? Hello, Rory. Hi, 21 million. Iron Fit. Gusto mo? What the color of? Oh my god. You know what, Fidel? I kick out the toxic people on my channel. So if you don't behave, sorry. No warning about that. I don't want to feel stress, you know. Sorry po. Maybe the other channel, they welcoming you, but not me. Random, hi. Hi, Clint Carbo. Hello, beautiful. You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for the people here. 16 people in the house. Jiden, Dondas, hi. Resty. I'm from Brazil, Amareldo. Steven Coffran. Hi, Steven. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you for joining. Hi, Rick Norman. Hello, Rick Norman. I'm fine, Stephen Cochran. I'm fine, I'm always. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Thank you, 22 million in the house. Hi. 6 likes. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe we'll never come. Good evening, pretty Cheryl. Hi, Sir Kevin McConnell. Good evening. Thank you for the likes. Don't let her go. Don't let her go. Maybe I'll come back sometime. Hi, Paula. Paula, hi. I like you forever, Kevin. Thank you for liking me. You, the only one, says my last name right. Really, Stephen Cochran? Cochran. Lul. Lul. You are beautiful. Thank you, Sir Stephen. Where are you from, Sir Stephen? Where are you from? Angigitics. Hi, Angigitics. Don't wanna let her go. Factman. Hey, Factman. What a name. Hi, show me your butt. You know what, Andrea? I don't like toxic here. So I don't like. I never give a warning. So I have our rules here. Angegetics, hi, Angegetics. I've been to Philippines 3 times. Really? Where are you from, Sir Stephen? Thank you, 26 people. What? Thank you, Sir Stephen. You married? No, not. Never been married. Not yet married. Get up and. Oh, I told you I don't like toxic here. Oh my God, you are so beautiful. Stand up. Really? So maybe you need to give the 100 bags, then I will stand up. Okay? You do first. Mask close. Okay. Thank you, 11 likes. Thank you so much. Hi, Bo. Max simply said, waiting for me to get married. Oh my God. I'm not uh, desperate about getting married. Maybe I'm desperate to the person I really love to getting married, but not that for strangers. Okay. My goodness. Do you have a Valentine's Day? I would love to make you my Valentine's Day. I'm not available for Valentine's Day because I'm so busy. I'm going live that time. I need to work. I need to earn money. My goodness. Hi, yes, hello. Hi, boo. 100 minutes. Return out. You're fine just sitting there. Yes, thank you. Your voice sounds so beautiful. Warning for you, mask. Don't get married. It's the worst thing you could ever do in your life. Really, Vera? You are so beautiful to get married. Huh? Thank you, 63 people in the house. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you for Maria Clara Tisato. Maria Clara Tisato. Hi, lady. How old are you? I'm 41 years old. 41. Hi, Bo. Meryl. Guys should respect you. Thank you, Sir Steven. Meryl. I love Holland, Luxembourg, Strasbourg, Switzerland, Austria, Denmark, TikTok. Hey, Hibo, thank you. Cheryl, Cheryl, do you like February 14 Valentine's Day? Yeah, I love, but felt jealous because Valentine's for a couple. Yes. I don't care. I will take care of you and please you and take you out for date for Valentine's. And if you don't have any time, I will make you dinner at home. Wah. Where are you from? Good morning. Hi, Felipe Silva. And massage you. Oh my God. Max Simplicity, you look much younger. Really? Steven, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Hi, Payat. Yes, I'm Payat. Mapayat. Hi, Babatin Pratt. What part of the Philippines are you in? Bicol Province, Philippines. Third party Europa, Amsterdam, two Hamburg, Great Parben, Germany, three Copenhagen, Denmark. What it does mean, Haibo? If you need to make money, you will probably make a ton of money only on OnlyFans. Okay, so I know, but I want respectful fans. I want genuine fans. Yes, I know I earn money for my fans, for my viewers, but I want for genuine people. I know lots of genuine people in the world. Yes, even in a 10 and 10 people, even it's one, I always choose the one, the genuine one. It's fine. And you are beautiful. Thank you. You are an attractive girl. Thank you so much. I would love to take you out of for you can know the cities around the world, my sweet girl. And Vero. Thank you, Vero. Seven. Thank you, Sir Steven.
Bakal ako.
Hi, Asma na Balakar. Nabatog ka na
guys.
naman. Aram mo na nag-ano ako. Ulang-ulang ka. Aram mo na nag-ano ako. Ulang-ulang ka. Ulang-ulangan ka. Aram mo na mainin. Naglalay ako. Hamburg Big Party number 1 billion people. 1 copy Hamburg. 11 euro. Really? She's simple lady. Thank you, yes. I'm just a simple. You know what? I have no jewelry because I can't afford to buy it. and no one can give me that jewelry, okay? Laredo, Texas, that's where I'm from, but I like to travel. Okay. Wow, she better than that. Good evening, sis. Good, and to all sis friends. Thank you. She's my sister, Christy. She's my sister, everyone. Respect children. Hi, Bo. Thank you, hi, Bo. Choose quality over quantity, the absolute best way to deal with the people. Yes, that's right. Choose quality to quantity. I don't have a lot of friends. Even just one friend, it's enough for me. If it's real and trustworthy, loyal, it's fine for me. I don't have a lot of friends. Do you have a good day? Yay! Twin Cities Transit. Thank you for joining here. God bless, but have a nice day. Come towards to work. You really? Were don't let listen to him, cause only fun is naked people and expressing your body to get money to people. Do not listen to him, cause only fun is naked people expressing your body to get money. Huh? Hi, Twin Cities Transit. And that makes you the best. Thank you, Sir Steven. Mehmet. Loves from Istanbul just now. Germany, 100 million. 100 million from Germany. Wow. German original, 60 million, 15 million Turkish, 25 million Azel. What it that means? Highball. I like show. I like show. Heim MQMNQY. I have seen how hard it is there to live. Yes, it's very difficult to live here, but be happy. A simple living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Hello, Monique Value number 1 Europe. Monique. Hindi ko naintindihan. I don't understand you, Haibo. What do you mean? Haibo? Hello, everyone. From Imet. I spent a week on the farm watch, the rice harvest. Yes, I know how to plant the rice and harvest rice. How many children? One children. I have one kid. I want to stop and say hi, good night, bye. Thank you, Twin Cities Transit. Thank you for joining here. Have a nice day. Good night. Bye bye po. God bless. Luxembourg number 1, boss planet number 1. Okay, hi Bo. From Sri Lanka, hi Mimit Kaya. Do you have any kids? I have one kids. Where? One kids. I have friends all over there in here in Kyle, Kyle that work in medical here. Okay. Switzerland, Austria, the Czech Republic, Germany, family. What it means, Haibo. Can make ruined. Yeah, I don't understand. I help my friend Ben sheep goats there. Really? Your name, please. My name is Sheryl. Kyle is short for California. Okay. California. 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 Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I have. Yes, I'm not single. Cheryl, yes. Steven, Sir Steven. Cheryl. Me name Haibo. Your name is Haibo. Hi Haibo. Nice to meet you Haibo. Where are you from Haibo? Sri Lanka. Come here my house. God. Why? Do you have a party there? Sir Darren. Hi beautiful Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Daryl, for joining here again. It's a pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Sir Steven. Thanks from Albania, Saranda number one, Lexus Europa. Okay, Charlotte's married. Not yet married. 25 years of the German passport. I would like to make love you. Oh my God. Rera, your voice is unbelievable. Don't wanna let her go. Thank you, 17 million in the house. Well, God bless always you and your family. Thank you, Sir Steven. Bloody Alvarez. Hi. Saranda Big Lux. Oh, you always say that. And I don't understand. Hable. 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 You look beautiful, love. Thank you, Lady Alvarez. Baby, my love will come back sometimes. Only over. Alright. Luxury number one hotel Europa a day. Please like YouTube Sarah. Okay. I don't understand what you mean, Hable. But okay. No problem. Sorry. It's okay. You look beautiful. Thank you, Bloody Alvarez. Hi, sis Salve. Good evening to everyone out there. Thank you, sis. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell and comment, guys. Thank you, Sir Darwin. Maybe my love will come back some days. Only Joe from. I'm from Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. Who is the kid singing there? Si Babang. Si Andangers. Ano? Happy. Europe 496 million, America is 388 million, Russia. What it means? I don't understand what you mean, Hebo. Really. I don't understand. Hebo. Nineteen people. What it means? Thank you, sorry, no problem. Bam, bam, bam. Smash the like, guys. Thank you, Sir Darren. Thank you, Sir Darren. Darren Bartolome. Splash. Palash Mons. Hi. Europa, no problem. Money, big money. Europa, big problem. Hi, Bo. I don't care. I have my own problem. I'm living here in the Philippines. Says, how are you? Father is beside you. And his father Earth. Nasa kabilang kwarto. Nandito ako sa sa gilid sa aking kwarto. Yes, beside me. Tinatanaw. Beside you in this time. Ooh, Holland. I don't care. Hable, are you 24/7 live now? Oh my god. Sir John. Hi, Sir John. Thank you for Thank you, Sir John. Sorry. Yes. Even I don't understand what you're saying. So I have my own problem. I don't want a problem in the whole wide world. Because most money, because I don't have money. My goodness. Hi, boy. Cheryl, not interested in what you're saying, so just have a normal conversation. I will remove you. Philippines for cabinet or nails? Huh? Good to see you po. Good to see you here, Sir John. Thank you so much, Sir John. God bless po. Have a nice day, Sir John. Have a good evening. Evening there now. Good evening. Good evening, Sir John. Okay, Darren. Record time. Hehe. Nyaha. To wanna let her go. Hither user Sir Darren, he's Sir John. He's Sir John. Look at them. Police English. Look at them. Miguel. Hi, good morning. Miguel from Massachusetts, USA. Hi, Miguel from Massachusetts, USA. Hello, good evening to you. Good morning to you. Hey, Darren from Sir John. Sir John. Don't wanna let America Jude #1 planet. Again. We start again. Hey, boo. Victorious Uza. Thank you, Sir Darren. Yes, it is Darren from Sir John. Thank you. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you, Sir Darren. Hi, Kisney Gang. Kisney Gang, hello, Kisney. Kisney Gang. Sneaking hello, 30 people in the house. Maybe my love and some days only heaven. Hey Bo, Cheryl lives in the Philippines and doesn't care about America. Wow, baby, you are pretty. Patrick, hi Patrick. Nisha, two? What it means to? Aurelio Segovia, hi Aurelio Segovia. Why does it hurt me so? Nice to meet you, John, from Sir Darren. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only hello, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Clem. Carbo. Clean Carbo. Same Darren from Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. And hello, baby. Ozcan. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How about you? Where are you from? Patrick Mikay. Moro Salvacapriata. Oh my god. Muento. What it means. Like and subscribe and hit the bell. Comment, guys. Thank you. Your body is so... Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, Sir John! Thank you, Sir John! Thank you, Sir John! Oh my god! Thank you po! Happy! So be happy! Thank you, Sir John! Oh my god! Thank you so much! Thank you, Sir Darren. Dance baby. I am from Pacific. You are from Australia, Jan. Yes, Sir Jan is from Australia. Sir Jan is from Germany, New Germany function. I don't care, Hebo. Thank you, Sir Darren. I am Darren, yes. Sir John he's from Australia. I want to marry you. No. I'm not, no. Thanks, John, for your generously. Yes, I like to see you happy po. Thank you, Sir John. God. Thank you po. I'm happy. Another OC. Sir John he's the one friend here. So much. He's so much so kind and generous one. Thank you so much, Sir John. Good morning, Christian. Only heaven knows. Maybe the love will come back someday. No spamming, please, guys. Thank you, Sir Darren. Hebo, Germany. I don't care, Hebo. My godness. Thank you, Sir Darren. My goodness. Hebo. You got a beautiful face. Thank you, Patrick. My Kai, my Kai. Maybe my love will come back someday. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Beep up, beep up, beep up, beep up. You got a beautiful face. Next time he is going to get 24 hours timeout and he's a troll. Ah, okay. Bugatti Germany products. Oh my god. Hey Bo. Another hey Bo. And he's really a troll. My god, hey Bo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Da, 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 da. Only heaven knows. Thank you, Sir Darian. So you can dance. Yeah, I can dance, but it depends on my mood. He's gone for 24 hours now. Thank you po. Thank you for the like. Salamat sa nagla-likes. Sir John, Sir Darian, where are you? Sir John, I think Sir Darian, he's from Australia. Yes, he's Australian, I think. Sir Darian, where are you from? I think you are Australia. From Australia. Am I right? Am I right? I don't know if I'm somewhere right. Oh yes, Patrick, she can dance amazing, but it will cost you a red super chat. What? Yes, that's right. I can dance, but ano, red super chat. Thank you, Sir Darren. Thank you, 31 people. 25 na. Bumabawas na. I'm in the Riverland area, South Australia, up near the Murray River. Wow. Maybe it's a beautiful view there. Thank you, 34 people in the house. Thank you so much, Bob. It's a small world. I'm in Adelaide. Oh, be positive, Cheryl. You are an amazing dancer. Thank you, Sir Darren. My God. Hello, John. Cole John. Wow, you meet here. Uh, what a world. Small world talaga. Hey, we fall. Hi, Center Clash Beta. Hello po. Do you know Remark? Rainmark John? Rainmark? Rainmark. Rainmark? What Rainmark? But it plays it only reminds. Hi, Biglan! Welcome back, Biglan. Yes, Cheryl. Darren and I are very close. Wow, it's a small world. Thank you. What a small world. What a world. Aww. You meet here? Hey, beautiful. Hi, Christian Salman. Wow. Nice to meet you here, Sir John and Sir Darren. Wow. I'm happy for you. Thank you, Biglan. That's what I said. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God. That's great. That's great, pa. Oh my God. Don't wanna let her go. Good job. I'm writing to you from Argentina. Hi, Christian from Argentina. Thank you for joining here. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Only heaven knows. Yener Nalband. Hi, Yener Nalband. I'm coming down to Adelaide on Wednesday for work. Wow. That's great. My God. I know where it is, but I don't think I've ever been there, Darren. Baby, hello from Turkey. Hi, Anar from Turkey. There's Biglan. Yes, Biglan is in the house. Hey, Christian. English comments, please, guys. Yes. Thank you. Okay, okay. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Filipina in the house. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful up here on the Murray River and it's very popular tourist attractions. Wow, that's great. Which one day I will be visit there when I can save money? Nah. Hi, Dimasang Gula Gula das is car. Hello. Ang hirap. My God. Ang haba. Why your name is so long? Noise coming please guys. Thank you Sir Darren. How are you? I'm fine. Question. Don't wanna let her go. I like you. Why you like me? I'm off to watch soccer now po. You have a great night. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Sir John. Good night. Sweet dreams. Enjoy the watching po. Thank you so much, Sir John. God bless. Thank you so much. Ma. Thanks a lot. Oh no, that's not football, John. Soccer. Sir John said soccer. Soccer or football? What it means? Mistake. Nakantok. Nakantok. Need to sleep na. Ready to sleep. Bye-bye. Goodbye. I love to say goodbye. Okay, see you, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Darren. See ya. Hi, Miga Marjon Mala. Hi. It's the only true football, Darren. Go Manchester United. Go, go. Aussie rules football for me, John. Yes. Joy, J Vigo. Hi, J Vigo. Hey, Miga, Marjon. Hi, Miga. Go, Manchester! Oh, your choice. Shout, my Gabi. Hi, Armando de la Cruz. So, Yui, 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 Yui. What Yui meant? My God. Yui. Thank you sa magla-likes. How old Nemo Miga? How old is Nemo Miga? My age, I'm 41 years old. Oh, Cheryl, supporting soccer, lol. Yes. Go, Manchester! Soccer. I support my friend, Sir John. Hey, lovely. Nice to see you. I'm from Brazil. Hey, girl. Hear me. Hello. Thank you. So 30 people here. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. I'm sad now. Why? Why you sad, Sir Darren? Girl Herman, I don't entertain toxic people here on my channel, and I'm so sorry. Don't I don't like anyone who join here and you disrespect, comment for disrespect me. Sorry. So easy to kick you out here. So very easy. So not welcome here. Not here. My godness. I don't care what you're feeling. I don't like pervert here. I'm not allowing this on my channel. You're joking, you're not. You're younger than you say. I'm 41 years old. I'm not joking. That's my age. James Robinson. It's your channel, Sharon. You just like to switch people. Yes, Sir Darren. Thank you, Sir Darren. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Carla. Hi, Carla. Lando Ferreira. From Brazil. Thank you for joining, Cariola. Cariolando Ferreira. Cariola. Okay, Cheryl, you have a blessed evening and I will catch you again. Thank you, Sir Darian. God bless. Good night. Thank you so much. God bless you po. Thank you, sir. Smash the like, guys. Thank you, Sir Darian. May pag-ibig na nagkukunwari, hindi lahat nagwagi, iisang ikaw. May pamildi ka, dahil ikaw lamang ang hindi nag-iwan. Hi! Thank you, Sir Kenneth! My God! Sir Kenneth, thank you so much! My God! Thank you! Thank you, sir! My God! How's your day, Sir Kenneth? Good morning! How are you? Thank you pa. Maybe my love will come back. Thanks for your generosity, Kenneth. Thank you so much, guys. Calling me sir makes me feel really important, Cheryl. Yes, because you're a good friend here, Sir Darwin. My God. It's just cause I like pretty legs. $5 per leg. Sir Kenneth. My God. Pretty legs. Thank you, 32 people. Brian Smith, hi. Just pretty legs.
How old are you?
Thank you to 35 people in the house. Thank you so much. How much for? Oh my God. My God, Brian Smith. Brian Smith. Hi, Enrique. Brian Smith. My God. Thirty-seven people in the house. Hi po. Ang kulit din, no? Just a makulit. Just a makulit. Thank you. Habang nanonood, mag-likes. Double tap. So easy po. Char. Joke lang. Sorry, I'm not placing everybody here to like me, so it's okay, it's fine. Lurking is fine. Only heaven knows. Thank you for 24 people in the house and 32 likes. Thank you sa nagla-like at pinakinggan niya. At pinakinggan yung pinagsasabi. Thank you, Carlos Alexander. Hi. Ito talaga ako. Lord. You make me smile. Sir Kenneth, my God. $5, $5. My God. Hello, Miss. This is Ralph from Germany. Hi, Sir Ralph. Jokoli boy. Jokoli boy. Jokoli boy. Natawa ako. Hi, Asilica Bolico. Fiji? From Fiji? Fiji? Angela Nerushan. Angela. I'll be a Paris citizen. Ano ba yun? Hirap naman. It's really difficult for me to pronounce your name, channel name. I'll be. Oh, I'll be na lang. Where are you? I guess I could be considered highly disrespectful. What do you think? No. Nothing. It's fine. So can it?
Mama.
My God. So tell me where you would start. Maybe I shouldn't say fat. Maybe I shouldn't say thick. It's okay if I'm fat. It's okay if I'm thick. If it's what you see, it's true. It's okay. Maybe I'm thin because I'm not fat. I'm stony here. I'm not stony, na bony. Sa bones, bony look. Bony. My God. Thick. If you see I'm fat, it's not true. It's not true. So it's be true. Ah, lol. Iyan Talinting. Hi, Iyan Talinting. Grabe naman pangalan mo. Talinting. Hi, Iyan Talinting. Zero. Hey, beautiful. Mehmet Bahar. Toxic. Thank you to those who likes. Only you do. Thank you for 19 people in the house. I left my like. You left the like. Thank you. Thank you so much for the likes. I will come back here later. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you for the likes. I don't care. Someday someone's gonna love me. Thank you, 31 people. And oh my god. 1 hour the live? 1 hour na? I didn't ano the hour. The time. What time here na? 8:49. Thank you, 26 people in the house. My goodness, my god. Thank you, 20. Hi, Basel Cell. 33 likes. Hello. Derek Johns. Sorry. Hello again, my pretty friend. Hi, Sir Derek. Sir Derek, hello. 34 likes. Thank you so much. I'm falling for you. Fine.
Purong na sinula kay Sheryl.
Ambot lang po. Imudong ko. Imudong ko. May? Hindi pa mata pa?
Ano?
Mata pa.
Mata pa?
Oo.
Hi.
Ito. Ito. Balay.
Ay, nano.
Naghanap sa imo. Yan na. Sabihan ko na mata. Thirty-seven people. Thank you so much. Oh my god, 37 likes. Salamat. Ten, 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 ten. A voice is cracking because of your popular live stream. Grabe naman, not popular, my god. Hi, Anya. Niti Perico. Hi, Niti Perico. 42 people in the house. Salamat. Grabe naman, popular. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. Hi, Manuel from Mexico. Salamat sa nag-likes. Thank you for the likes. At hindi ngayon, kailan ba ang tamang My God, thank you sa nagla-likes. Luis Barya. Hi, Luis. Alam mo, Luis, I don't like you here. Sorry. Maybe on other channel they welcoming you, but not here. My God. Leonardo. Yeah, it's you again. Same as you. I don't like that kind of, I don't like that here on my channel like that. Sorry. I don't want to come. Thank you so much. I don't like toxic people here, so I'm not a lot of friends. That's why even one friends too is enough if it is real, loyal, genuine. It's I really appreciate it. I don't like even a lot of friends. I don't like crowded friends if it's not real, if it is not fake. Ah, no. Lots of fake friends, and I hate that. I'm nice, oh, I'm nice. I am nice. I'm nice. But if it's nice, if I know it is not good for me, I can kick them out. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Marian John Para. Hi, Marian. Be careful. Be nice. Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Marian. Thank you, 40 people. Oh my God. 40 people in the house. 44! Oh God. Tapos 44 hindi kayo nag-live. Salamat at least. Oh my God. Salamat sa nanonood. Kahit ganito yung palaging pagmumukha. People are so angry. Calm down. Yes, I'm calm down. Calm down. Charot. Joke. Oh my God. Charot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 36 people in the house. Thank you. Don't wanna let her go. Oh my God, it's 47 people. Ah, 43. 43, my God. Pantay-pantay tayo ngayon. 40. Thank you so much sa 49 people na nanonood. Oh my God. Thank you so much. 51 people. Thank you. Thank you po. Try! Anong ginagawa? Saan kayo galing? Taga saan kayo? Saan kayo planeta galing? Magpakilala kayo saan? Thank you. Hi, Charles. Charles Ferolito. Charles Ferolito, taga saan ka? Magsalita ka. Opo, ano? Charles Ferolito, magsalita ka. Ikaw ang naglakas ng loob, mag-comment. Sa dami nyo. What ganon? Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Salamat sa nanonood. Kahit na nanonood lang kayo at medyo word sa pakiramdam kasi nanonood lang kayo, to salamat sinasabi. Number 2 ako. Oh my God. Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me your name. Vera. Where's Vera? Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back sometimes. Only maybe oh, magsalita naman. Hi, Baron. Piling-pili yung naglalakas ng loob magsalita. Puro tayo ganun-ganun lang Ang hingi sa labas. Dada. Maingay. Pero, Elias Patroni. Hi, Elias. 15th people. I love you, little. I told you, Vero, I don't like that kind. Di ka nakikinig, Vero. Bibigyan na kita ng warning. You don't have to listen your auntie. I'm your auntie, huh? You don't listen your auntie, huh? Listen to your auntie. Charot. Hi, Elias. Sifri Lika Fair. Hi, hello. Hi, Don TV. Hi, idol. You're idolizing me. Thank you, 47 people. Oh, thank you sa nagla-likes. My God. You're amazing, guys. Don't wanna let her go back. My 57 in the house. Ang galing. Galing nyo. Pedro Perez, what time is over there? Time here? Time check 9:02 in the evening. 9:02 in the evening here. Night here. Where are you from, Pedro Perez? Pantayan laban. Pantayan laban natin. Lamang tayo, lamang. How much do you weigh? About 30 kilos. I weigh 41 kilos. Texas, USA. You're from Pedro Perez. My weight is 41. Now, Sir Kenneth. Ah, yes. Before I'm 30 kilos. My soft been a long time. I miss you. Oh, chimakis. Hey, chimakis. Pedro Perez. Hi, Pedro. Iltan. Hi, Iltan. Sir Kenneth, my gain weight now. Gain weight now. From 38, 41 kilos na. I'm 41 years old. I am 41. From the way you called my name, that means you don't really remember me, right? A lot of people here joining here, Chimakis. So sorry. Where are you from, Chimakis? So many people joining here, so that I don't remember people joining me here. Uh, sorry. And are you looking really hot? Huh? Thank you, Chimakis. From Nigeria, hi. Wow. Wait. Sir Kenneth, beautiful. Thank you, Elton. Beautiful. MJ. Hi, Walzen Designer. You are beautiful. Thank you, Welzem. Thank you, Welzem Designer. Welzem Designer, thank you so much. Don't wanna let it go. Thank you, Pedro. I can bring you to Texas. Oh, really? Why? How? Hi? Why? Why you bring me and how you bring me and why? What's the reason? Tell me what you do. Thank you, 34. I can. Thank you so much, guys, to meet you. Oh, sorry, I'm not available. I'm not single. I'm not single. I'm not single. Thank you, 42 people in the house. Thank you so much to meet you. Oh. Thank you so much, likes. Ta-da. Okay, well, take care and be careful. Thank you, Pedro Perez. Thank you, MSA. Thank you so much, MSA. Ta-da-da. Yvonne. Hi, Yvonne. Hello. Subscribe. Thank you for subscribing my channel, MSA 4436. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Hi, Vic Damon. Hi, amazing. Hello, Vic Damon. Like, MSA, thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. It's Tony. Hi, it's Tony. Beautiful. It's Tony. Thank you, Tony. Riao. Which person? Huh? Which person? What do you mean? We talked a while back. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, Vic. Manfred Squidward. Manfred. 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 35 people. Thank you. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you so much, likes. I wanna try your good cooking. Really? Really? Really. For the 28 people, thanks so much. Giovanni. Hi, Giovanni Alexander Vasquez. Hey, Giovanni. Hi from El Salvador. Hi from El Salvador, Giovanni. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. From which country? Riao. From which country? Thank you so much. James. Beautiful. Thank you, James. Thank you. Thank you so much, likes. Grabe. Grabe kayo. Ang dami nyo. Kayo. Why I marry you? Why? How? What is the reason? Do I know you, James? My God, James. Do I know you? But charot, joke lang. It's a joke. Kenneth. Sir Kenneth. Clayton Warte. Oh, thank you so likes. My God, thank you so much likes. To start the immigration process, you have to meet in person. Yeah. Yes, I think, but I never experienced that. Never in my life. James Machem. James Machem. Hi, James Machem. James Machem. Yeah. I'm from Indonesia. And which country are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. Bicol province, Philippines. You're cutie. Thank you, Clayton Warte. Thank you. Da, 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 da. Hi there, how are you? I'm hi Rocco. I know American men are joys. Huh? Really? Oh, Philippines, yeah. Turks. Turkanet. David Moore. Hi, Sir David. May stand up for us a minute. Why? You can send me $500. I will stand up. They promise the world instead of $10 at a time. Huh? To the beautiful facial features. Where do you live? I'm from Philippines. Rocco. Danny Jones. Hi, Sir Danny Jones. Castor Jojo. Hey, Jerry. Jerry? Jerry? What? Lol. I will be your girlfriend. Never. No, I'm not available. Sorry, Pop. Leonardo. Shout out means hi, Noji. Carbos. Noji. Tagasan ka? Where are you from, Noji? I have I do Zumba tomorrow morning, so yeah. Hi, Udasi. Hello. Udasi, hi. Don TV 21. Hi, beautiful. What a completeness. What a complete. I'm not married. Never been married. Sarili ko'y napabayaan mula nang kita'y ibigin ko. Kung sa'yo lang umikot mundo ang puso ko lang ito. Nahihirapan dahil dalawa kaming wala kang sumbat. Maririnig mula sa labi ko dahil sa pag-ibig natutumatiis nang dahil sa pag-ibig nagmahal. Thank you sa nag-likes. My God. Kahit isa lang yan. Hi, Castor, Jojo. Hello, Castor. Ay, at pinawi niya yung isa. Napindot ba? Naglo-lurking lang tapos na likes, no? Sorry. Sorry naman, ah. If I go to the Philippines, will you accept me? No. Sorry. I'm not accepting you because I don't know you. Sorry, ha. Sorry. I'm nice, but I want to be practical. I want to be loyal to you. So sorry. You need to know the people. Because I'm not single. Here in the Philippines, remember here in the Philippines, if you are married, you are in a relationship, you need to protect your partner's feelings. What if they do that to you? If you trust, right, you're entertaining to others. Me, like me, I entertain others. It's a micro cheating. That's not good. Oh my god. So I don't like that. Mm. It's really not good for the if you're having in a relationship and entertaining. So that's not my god. Zay, Castro, can I still be in your heart? No. Ano sinasabi mo? Oh my goodness. Isa pa to eh. Balik-balik eh. Hindi ka na babalik, promise. Huwag ka nang hindi ka na makakabalik. Nakita na kita dati. Hindi ka na makakabalik. Kiramin gumugulo sa aking Thank you, 50 people in the house. Hi. See you later. Okay. Hey, where are you? What? I'm looking at the kids outside. Thank you for the people here. Thank you. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalama. Hello? Winaldo Morales. Castor, bye. Bye-bye, Castor. Hey, where are you, Luke? I'm looking the kids outside. Thank you. Sapat na sa akin. Thank you. Oh my god, 52 likes. Ah, ah. Hi, Ronaldo. Big C, hello from Hawaii. Hi, Big C from Hawaii. Hawaii. From Hawaii. Thank you sa nag-likes. From Hawaii. From Hawaii. Hawaii. Thank you, 40 people. Oh my god, 54 people in the likes. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Sapat na sa akin. Tugol sa aking dasal. Ay! Minarat ako pa imo, Pam. Minarat ako sa imo, Pam. Hello. Uli ka na kay Gab. Gabi na magturog ka na. Kay Gabi na. Bye-bye. Ako, urong lang kayo. May gadsi na gabi na. Bye-bye. Oh my god. Thank you. 55 likes. I have roasters and Baccarat. What island or city? I'm from Philippines and I'm living here in Bicol province, Philippines. Cha cha taran tan tan taran. If I saw you in heaven, it would be the same. If I saw you in heaven. Never gonna be memories. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Oh, 55. I have roast. Okay. Oh, 53 people in the house. Thank you. What happened? Talk to me. Tell me your name. Oh, 60 people in the house. Good night. Good night. Hi, Quintino. He's gay. He's a gay. My God. I'm a gay. My gulay. Quintino. Good night. Good night, Abdul. Hi, Jose. Hi, Jose. Hello, Jose. Pass the zip, love. Huh? Pass the zip? What it means? Ay, nako. Ayoko ng toxic dito. I don't like pervert here. Rafael, you're not welcome here. My God, Rafael. I hate you. Hi, David Mar. Isa pa to eh. Ano? No, I don't want to marry you. Why I should marry you, Joselito Ferreira? Why should I marry you, ha? Hmm? Thank you. All I know is that what my, huh? Hey, Basilia. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Carlos, Alessandro, Jose. Thank you. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Oh, really? I'm beautiful. It's a joke. I love that joke. I love that joke. Maybe no love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Thank you so for the likes. Thank you so much. Johnny Valo. Hey, Johnny. Hi, Johnny. Johnny, Poponi, banana, Poponi, pie, Poponi. Johnny, 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 Poponi, Johnny, like, thank you. 60 likes. You're amazing. Beautiful. My God, isa pa to eh. Ang kulit. Thank you, 51 people here in the house. Thanks so much. Johnny, thank you, Johnny. Johnny. Carlos, isa pa to. Nako, nanggigigil ako. Nako talaga. Kayo talaga. 53 people. Thank you. Don't wanna let her go. I Frank Tak. What time here? 9:37 in the evening. Thank you, 50 people. What a beautiful Carlos. My goodness, Carlos. Sapat to, nanggigigil na ako. Dumadami kayo. My God. Mainit kasi. Isa pa. Hi, Jane Bolton. Hello. How are you doing? It's been a while since I've had it with you. Hi, Sir Jane Bolton. Uy, gigil na ako. Gigil na ako sa'yo. Thank you for the likes. Ayan na. Ayaw mong tumigil eh. Sana ka lang siyang tumigil ka eh. Kulit mo eh. Kulit mo, Carlos. Ayan tuloy. Time out kita. Has Mike made it over yet? Mike, we talk a lot, he sleep late. Yeah, maybe he still felt tired. Mike, he sleep late. He sleep a lot. Mike sleep a lot. Bentley Jones. Hi, Bentley Jones. 62 likes. Thank you. 48 people here. Hi. 37. Nanggigigil ako ha. Nanggigigil na ako. I thought he was coming to the Philippines. Yes, he was coming next month. He planning to come here. How you doing? I'm doing live. Sit here and talk to you guys. Sir Jim, he's planning. Oh, just planning. I hope so. I don't know. Next month, he said. 63 likes. Thanks so much. Ba yan? Sakit sa ulo? May gulay. Esperanza kahit na kaibigan. Preparing going to sleep. Pagsubok ng sa'yo balikat. That is good. That he is coming, you and him have a wonderful life when he gets there. I hope. I'm hoping. I don't know. Yumo Johnson. Hi there. Esperanza. Di maglalaho, araw mo ay sisikat. Thank you 56 people. Oh my god. Salamat sa nagla-like. Which country is that? Philippines. Hi Carmen. Iyumo Johnson. Thank you 55 people. Salamat. Salamat sa nanonood. Bigyan ng jacket yan. Bigyan ng 1,000. $64. Hi sa nanonood na 64. 46. Biglang bawas eh. Would you mind if you visit me in Uganda? No, 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 no. I'm not interested. Sorry. Hi, Johnny. Hey. I don't like headache. I don't want headache now. I don't like stress. I'm not married, but I'm not single. Esperanza, guy. Thank you, so thank you for the hit the likes. Let's press people here, please. Thank you, Sir Jane, Baba. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Derek, Sir Derek, thank you. You're sharing your beauty secrets. Now I know. You see so pretty. All this. My god. Sir Derek. Sir Derek Johns, thank you for the likes po. Sharing talaga. Don't get shy now. Don't get shy now. 57 people. Hi. 60 people watching. My goodness. Oh my god, 72. Sana may mag-super chat. Will someone send super chat? Please. I think she's naturally beautiful, Derek. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you, Sir James Bolton. Very good, baby. Smooth face, smooth hands, smooth legs. What? Great legs. Yeah. Mr. Badger Bob. Hi. Jose Maria Mendez. Hello, friend. Hey, Nelson. Manningham. Manningham. Can you wrap those legs cross? Twin Cities Transit. Kim Baker. You come back here. Thank you so much. Dance play. No. Oskan. Thank you, Twin Cities Transit. Thank you so much. You having a good evening? Yes. Yes, having a good evening here. Thank you. Well, yes. Thank you, Twin Cities Transit. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you. Nice to hear. Yes. Thank you, sir. Don't wanna 53 line 50 50. You have children, right? I have one kid, and he's sleeping now already. Where are you from? From Philippines. Sweetie, did I tell you I have found beautiful Filipino in the maybe Lady area, and she's a YouTuber too. I am hoping our relationship works out. Really, Sir James? I think it's work out. Need to communicate and understand each other. The goal is the same goal. Yes. And maybe it works. But I think a long distance relationship is very difficult, but needs a strong communication each other. Son or daughter? It's a son. Sorry, Twin Cities. He's a son. Son. I stay strong, Sir Jane Bolton. Maybe it works. Need strong communication each other. He's 9 years old, Sir Twin. 9 years old, grade 4 student. Oniko Iho, only child. Nice age, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thailand. I are from Thailand. Is he handful? Yes. Yes po. Twin cities. I will be arriving March 3rd in the Philippines. Really? Wow! Sir James Bogan. Huh? Is he handful? What do you mean? Twin cities. Why are you laughing? Is he handful? What is that? Sorry. Handful. What is that? Huh? Good job, Sir James Bolton. Oh my god, congratulations in advance, Sir James. Team keeps you busy. Yes, keep busy. Huh? Then handful. Hmm? Huh? Hi, good morning, beautiful. How are you? Handful. Oh, remember these times they grow up fast. Oh yeah, they grow up fast. He handful because he keeps you busy. Um, he's sleeping now. Hello, he's already sleeping. He's tired for Boy Scouts today. He joined the Boy Scout and from start February 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 days, 4 days and 3 months, 3 nights. Just US term. Oh, okay. What area are you from? Maybe my girlfriend can ride up and take you to dinner with us. We are going to do a lot of exploring here. I'm here in Bicol, Sir James. Really? Maybe we can. If it's have a free time, if it's possible. Yes, we can. Okay. US term. 72 people. Thanks so much. Don't wanna let her go. You're popular. You're popular tonight. Yes. Yes, maybe tonight. 72 people. Thank you po. Oh my god. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Sir Twin. Cities Transit. Hey guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Oh my god. A lot of people now. Love to spend time chatting with you. Yeah. No, I think the silent, just lurking. For the 68 people are 60 plus 70. Just lurking, no chatting. Let me see your beautiful smile. Hi, Frank Track. I have, ano, the tooth, no tooth here. That's why, not too much smile. Zidav Kuy Higol. Hi. Thank you po. 60, sorry to hear that. Bad thought. Yes, yes, I remember that. Not out here. That's why. Frank, hi Frank. You like doing YouTube, yeah. Understand. Understand. Don't wanna let her go. Mm. You like to sing? I love dancing. I love singing. I love that. Even when I feel stressed, I sing and dance. Let me see your belly. No. YM. M&A change. Hi. Thank you, Transitas. Frank, be nice. Thank you po. Thank you, Twin Cities. YM. YM. Karaoke is popular there. Yes, very popular here, karaoke. Everyone sing, every time having a occasion, even no occasion, they sing a lot. Oh my god, they sing a lot. Sometimes not good because they disturb people. They disturb neighbor. Not good. Not always good. It's okay for occasion, but for always, it's not good. It is no. It's not requirement. not not requirement. Hi, Shanna. 80 people. Hi. Not sure if you want me to sing. Why? You can sing. Everyone can sing. You know. Everyone can sing Twin Cities. Yes. I bad. Me too. I'm not good singer. But I like to sing. I'm not a good, but I always sing like even I cook, I clean, I sing. I'm at the TR, I shower, I sing, I wash clothes, I sing. But I'm not a good singer. My voice is not good for singing. But I like singing. But I like to sing. Oh my god, 2 hours live, my gulay. I need to, I think so. I need to, I need to sleep na because tomorrow I have a Zumba. Tomorrow I do Zumba. I wake up early. I need to wake up early. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. I need to end the live na. I need to do Zumba tomorrow. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless. Bye-bye. Zumba tomorrow. Okay, na. Bye. Nice chatting with you. Thank you, sir. Twin Cities. Good night, friend. I'll drop in again. Thank you. Tito Man Freddy. Hi. Bye-bye.